want to tell you a story. A story about a magical place. A special destination nestled in the scenic rolling hills of Ripley, West Virginia. Cedar Lakes Conference Center. For over 70 years, we have become a destination for family gatherings, a getaway for retreats, a composed and professional atmosphere for corporate meetings, a tranquil spot for artisans to hone their skills, and a home to fairs and festivals and cultural gatherings. Cedar Lakes is a place with endless opportunities, where every path invites discovery, where bonds are strengthened and friendships are born. It's where memories are made and traditions are created. With a rich history, Cedar Lakes has supported communities in fostering education, leadership, and craftsmanship. It has continued to grow into a vibrant hub, welcoming numerous groups annually, becoming a cherished destination. Spanning an impressive 450 acres of sweeping landscapes, scenic trails, and 4 water features, accommodations range from cozy dormitory cottages and charming lodges to flexible meeting spaces and a welcoming dining hall, offering comfort, convenience, and inspiration for groups of all sizes. And with continued support and investment, it will remain a beacon of community, learning, and joy for generations to come. Built on tradition, inspired for tomorrow.